Hello there, this is Engineer Selassie from Halo Academy and the Brain Boosters, and today I came up with another video and we are going to discuss about well point system. So in this video we will be discussing the dewatering technique known as well point system. The well point system is a commonly used method for lowering the groundwater table and creating a dry work environment during construction of excavation projects. It's especially useful when working in areas with high water tables such as near river, lakes or coastal areas. The well point system consists of series of closely spaced small diameter wells, typically 1 to 2 inches in diameter, that are installed into the ground to a depth where the soil is relatively impermeable. These wells are typically spaced between 2 to 6 feet apart and are connected to a header pipe, which is in turn connected to a vacuum pump. When the vacuum pump is turned on, it creates a negative pressure in the header pipe and the surrounding soil, causing water to flow toward the well point and into the wells. The water is then pumped out of the wells, typically using a submersible pump, and discharged into a nearby drainage system or into a holding tank for disposal. The well point system is effective for dewatering shallow excavations, typically up to a depth of 15 to 20 feet. It can be used in a variety of soil types, including sand, gravel, and cohesive soils. However, it is less effective in highly permeable soil, such as fractured rock or karst formations. The installation of the well point system typically involves the following steps. The first step will be site investigation and design. A geotechnical investigation is conducted to determine the soil condition and the optimal well point spacing and depth. A design is then prepared based on the investigation result. Installation of the header pipe. A header pipe is installed along the perimeter of the excavation, typically at a higher elevation than the bottom of the excavation. This header pipe is connected to the vacuum pump and serves as the main conduit for the water removal. Installation of the well points. Small diameter wells are installed using a hand auger or jetting technique. These wells are spaced according to the design and are typically installed to a depth of 5 to 15 feet. Connection to the header pipe. Once the wells are installed, they are connected to the header pipe using flexible hose and clamps. Operation and maintenance. The vacuum pump is turned on to initiate dewatering. The system must be monitored regularly to ensure proper operation and to check for any leak or clogs. Single stage and multi-stage well point definition as per the requirement and water table depth. We can choose single stage and multi-stage well point system. Single stage well point system. In a single stage well point system, each well point is connected directly to the header pipe and the vacuum pump. This type of system is typically used for shallow excavation up to a depth of 15 to 20 feet and is ideal for cohesive soil and fine sand. Multi-stage well point system. In a multi-stage well point system, several well points are connected in a series and are connected to the header pump, pipe and vacuum pump. This allows for the system to handle deeper excavation, typically up to a depth of 50 feet or more. Multi-stage systems are also useful in highly permeable soils such as sand and gravel, where water flow rates are high. By connecting well point in a series, the overall vacuum pressure is increased allowing for greater dewatering capacity. However, multi-stage systems are more complex to install and maintain than single-stage system. In general, for water table 5 up to 5.5 meters, single-stage well point is recommended. For greater than 6 meters and less than 15 to 20 meters, multi-stage well point is recommended. If it is greater than 20 meters, deep well is recommended. What is deep well dewatering system? This is another type of dewatering system. This system consists of one or more individual wells. Each has its own submersible pump at the bottom of well shaft, suitable where large volume of water in highly permeable sand and gravel area recharge rapidly from surrounding area. Deep well pump can lift water up to 30 meters in a single stage. This kind of system I had experience in hotel project when I was working in Kahamas hotel project in the business bay, and we were doing this one. And there is another details also like French excavation, French drain and other type of system, and I will try to make another video on this topic next time. Is the riser pipe PVC or steel? So the material, whether it's PVC or steel. The riser pipe used in a well point system can be made of either PVC or steel, depending on various factors such as the depth of the excavation, the type of soil being dewatered, and the specific requirement of the project. PVC pipes are lightweight, easy to handle, and corrosion resistant, making them a popular choice for shallow excavation and projects with a limited budget. On the other hand, steel pipes are stronger and more durable, making them suitable for deeper excavation and projects with high water flow rates or corrosive soil. Ultimately, the selection of the riser pipe material will depend on the specific requirement of the project and the recommendation of the design engineer or geotechnical consultant. How is this riser pipe connected with a well point? The riser pipe is typically connected to the well point using a threaded coupling or a rubber grommet. In a threaded coupling, the rubber pipe and the well points goes off thread ends that are screwed together to create a watertight connection. The threaded coupling is tightened using a wrench to ensure a secure connection. Alternatively, a rubber grommet can be used to connect the riser pipe and the well point. The grommet fits tightly around the outside of the riser pipe and inside the well point, creating a watertight seal. This type of connection is typically used with PVC riser pipes and is quicker and easier to install than a threaded coupling. Regardless of the connection method used, it is important to ensure that the connection is watertight and secure to prevent any leaks or loss of vacuum pressure. Any leaks in the connection can reduce the efficiency of the water point system and result in adequate dewatering. Which one first installed in the excavated area, well point or riser point? So I think this question should be answered also. In this question, in the well point system, the well points are typically installed into the ground before the riser pipe. This is because the well point need to be installed at the desired depth and spacing in the soil to effectively dewater the excavation area. Once the well points are installed, the riser pipes are then connected to the well points using threaded coupling or rubber grommets, as mentioned in the previous answer. The riser pipes are then connected to the header pipes, which is connected to the vacuum pump to begin the dewatering process. It's important to follow the proper installation sequence to ensure that the well point system is installed correctly and operates efficiently. This involves conducting a site investigation to determine the soil condition, designing the system and installing the well points, riser pipes and header pipes in the correct sequence. But in some kind of well points, both the well points and the riser pipe will be installed together. So try to see some other type of connections. In conclusion, the well point system is a highly effective and widely used technique for dewatering shallow excavation in area with high water table. It can be used in a variety of soil types and is relatively easy to install and maintain. Thank you for watching, and this is Engineer Selassie from Halo Academy and Brain Booster.
Good morning everyone, this is Engineer Selassie from Halo Academy and Brain Boosters. Today we are going to show you dewatering well, dewatering system and in practical application, and let's get into it. Okay, let me show you now. So as you can see, this was the setup, and I hope it might be helpful. Until we meet with another video, thank you. Bye bye.